Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up the hotspot on your iPhone and iPad. First, go to your iPhone settings. Now, tap on Cellular and then Cellular Data Options. Next, tap on Voice and Data and tap on LTE. As you can see, using LTE loads data faster. Now go back to Cellular and tap on Personal Hotspot. Now tap on Wi-Fi password and change the password to something simple and easy to remember. Finally, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a power source. This will prevent it from using battery power to run the hotspot, which can slow down the connection. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should see an improvement in the speed of your iPhone hotspot. Thanks for watching.